my name is Logan and I'm going to show you guys how to put your hair up in bathrobe curls. The method that I'm going to show you is my personal favorite, and once you get the hang of it, it's foolproof and the curls turn out amazing. So to begin, you want to grab your hair in about 2 equal sections from the back and pull them forward. And then you take your Bathrobe Curls microfiber curler and you put it on top of your head just like this. And then what I do is I take one of the hair bands and I section off 1/2 of my hair to the band, and this is just gonna make it easier to curl. So for this method, we're going to be working with 2 different strands of hair, which we'll be wrapping in opposite directions. First, you take the curling wand off of your head, and then what I do is I grab a thin section of hair right at the top of my head. I hold it out like this, and then I'll take my finger and split it in 2, just like this. And you want these 2 sections to be kind of equal, so just feel that out. And then I will grab my curling wand and place it just right in between. Starting with this first section of hair, I'm wrapping it all the way around back towards the front of my face, and then taking this second strand of hair, the back one, and wrapping that fully around as well. Now I'm moving back to that first strand and integrating a new layer of hair and wrapping that all the way around again. And then again, just like you would with a French braid, I'm moving to that back section of hair and adding another layer of hair to it. And then I'll be wrapping that back section again all the way around. And you're just going to be repeating the same process all the way down. And once you reach the very bottom, you're just going to tie it off with one of our custom hair bands. And it's okay if there's a couple of parts sticking out. It's going to turn out totally fine in the morning. I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side, and I will come back and show you what it looks like at the end. So this is what it looks like when both sides are in. I'm just going to go to sleep and I will show you the results in the morning. Good morning. I just finished getting ready and now I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like when I take it out. So this is what the curls look like right out of the hair curler. What I do is I flip my hair upside down, kind of scrunch it out, brush it out with my fingers a little bit, and then it should be good. And here you have it. Wow, these are so curly. Oh my gosh. So it looks like I just spent hours curling my hair, and it honestly didn't even take me 5 minutes to put my hair in bathrobe curls. And I'd recommend a light hairspray here if you live in a hot and humid climate. Well, I am obsessed with these curls and I hope you guys love them as much as I do. Bathrobe Curls is a small mother-daughter run business, and thank you so much for your support. If you would like to support us further, you can like this video and follow us on YouTube.